Let's take a look at the materials that are welded together. Commonly, metals are classified into two categories. Ferrous metals. Ferrous metals mainly contain iron. Ferrous metals are important due to their extensive use in industries. Ferrous metals, which are welded in industries, are carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, cast iron. Non-ferrous metals. Non-ferrous metals are those metals where iron is not the primary content, such as nickel, copper, and aluminium. Non-ferrous metals, which are welded in industries, are aluminium and its alloys, nickel and its alloys, copper and its alloys, magnesium and its alloys, zinc and its alloys. Note: an alloy is a combination of two or more metals.